Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's continue our discussion of the euro currency. So actually you can see that the retracement that we have discussed in the weekly report is not started yet. So it's ripening gradually, but it has not started yet. So as you can see on the Monday, market has continued upward action, and we're still waiting where the major pullback will happen based on the engulfing pattern that we have talked about. So currently market is coming to 1462 fib resistance. This is 618 major resistance of this most recent drop. Market is not at overbought, so actually here's nothing actually prevents market to reach this resistance area and starting a possible pullback here. The major reason for a pullback, guys, mostly based on the reversal kind of this action. So because if you'll take a look at the 4-hour frame chart, you can see that this swing up is greater than previous swing down. And usually when this happens, market has the tendency to show the deep retracement. This is based on previous momentums that is strong and it lasts for a considerable period of time. And this momentum still stands on the market and press on the market when it shows the first reversal swing. That usually becomes the reason of the deep retracement on the market. So that's why we're mostly expecting that euro currency will behave classically as it usually happens. And currently we will be watching for 1460 area as a possible area where this retracement could start. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, unfortunately we do not have some clear extension, so we can't calculate, for example, kind of the A, B, C bottom, OP or XOP target, something of that sort. That could confirm the strength of the resistance. For example, here we could get the XOP, and if it will be the agreement resistance, that just brings more confidence that the pullback could start right from here. Today we don't have anything of this sort, but as an alternative way to calculate the target, we will use the extension of the previous leg down. Very often it works very nice. So you could just measure the length of this previous swing down and calculate extension to the upside in the same manner as we do for butterflies. And you can see that was the first 127 extension, and you can see that market reacts on this area and shows the pullback retracement. 1618 stands at the 1480.58, so mostly the same area. So you can see that here we will have the solid cluster of the levels. So this will be weekly pivot resistance 1, extension, fib level. So that's potentially an area where a pullback could start. So for us, actually, it's not really a big deal from which point it will start. For us, this major task is to catch the bottom of this retracement, because it could be a nice opportunity for taking the long position according to our trading plan for this week. But still, maybe for those of you who trade on intraday charts or the hourly chart, 5-minute charts, it could become important. Maybe we'll try to take the short position here. So speaking on the patterns that could be formed, well, actually I do not see something really valuable. So maybe kind of the free drive pattern could be formed, although it's not really perfect. Here you could see the first drive, second stands at 127, third will be either the crossing of the two levels of the 127, 1618, or 1618 again. So it could be also the 1618 free drive. It usually forms when between the drives the same distance, 1618 extension. 1618 in the current situation seems more reasonable because it also has the target 1457, so it agrees with the level that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. But maybe it will be the classical free drive. It's also possible. In this case, we will get extension just to 1450 area approximately. It's also possible. And after that, we'll be watching for a drop to the downside. Its potential target, as I said, since we're waiting for deep retracement, I suppose this will be somewhere in 50%. Around the weekly pivot point is 1365 maybe, or even 1347 is 618 support. It's also possible. So that's the scenario that we'll keep an eye on today on euro currency.